Hello everyone and welcome back to Driveline, your ultimate destination for the latest car reviews, SUVs, and everything exciting from the automotive world. In today's video, we're going to take a detailed look at a powerful and highly practical SUV, the 2026 Mahindra Bolero 9-seater. The Bolero has been one of the most trusted utility vehicles for decades, especially in rural and semi-urban areas. Known for its rugged build, low maintenance, and strong performance, it has become a go-to choice for large families in commercial use. The 2026 version is expected to continue this legacy with modern updates while keeping its tough DNA intact. Let's explore everything about this SUV. Artist palette design and exterior, tough and commanding. The 2026 Mahindra Bolero 9-seater is expected to retain its iconic boxy design, which gives it a bold and commanding road presence. The new model may feature a refreshed front grille, updated headlights, and a redesigned bumper, adding a modern touch while maintaining its rugged appeal. The tall stance and high ground clearance make it ideal for rough roads, village routes, and off-road conditions. The strong body structure ensures durability, which is one of the main reasons why Bolero is so popular. Overall, the design focuses more on strength and practicality rather than luxury, making it perfect for heavy-duty use. Couch and lamp interior and space, made for large groups. Inside the 2026 Mahindra Bolero, the biggest highlight is its 9-seater configuration, making it suitable for large families and commercial transport. The seating layout is designed to maximize passenger capacity while still offering decent comfort. GM Fab Industries. The cabin is expected to feature a simple yet functional dashboard, improved seat cushioning, and better materials compared to older versions. Some modern features like a touchscreen infotainment system, USB charging